A blessed day, learners. Welcome to another enriching and exciting learning session here on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. Get ready as we delve into today's thought-provoking topic, leadership and strategy in law enforcement management. Let's embark on this journey of learning, exploration, and growth together. Remember to take notes, stay engaged, and enjoy every step of the way. Stay safe, keep striving for excellence, and may God bless you always. Feel free to adapt further.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Organizational leadership. Demonstrate proficiency in managing law enforcement agencies by focusing on their organizational structures, operational functions, and policy-making processes. This includes a clear understanding of the chain of command, administrative protocols, and strategic policy formulation to ensure effective agency governance. Magpakita ng kasanayan sa pamamahala sa mga ahensyang nagpapatupad ng batas sa pamamagitan ng pagtutuon sa kanilang mga istrukturang pang-organisasyon, mga pagpapaandar ng pagpapatakbo, at mga proseso ng paggawa ng patakaran. Kabilang dito ang malinaw na pag-unawa sa chain of command, administrative protocols, at strategic policy formulation para matiyak ang epektibong pamamahala ng ahensya. Example, conducting a comprehensive analysis of the National Bureau of Investigation, NBI, in the Philippines, highlighting its administrative hierarchy, operational mandates, and specialized roles within the broader law enforcement framework. Halimbawa, pagsasagawa ng komprehensibong pagsusuri ng National Bureau of Investigation, NBI, sa Pilipinas na itinatampok ang hierarchy ng administratibo nito, mga mandato sa pagpapatakbo, at mga espesyal na tungkulin sa loob ng mas malawak na balangkas ng pagpapatupad ng batas. Strategic planning. Develop, execute, and evaluate robust plans to achieve organizational objectives, optimize resource allocation, and improve operational efficiency. Strategic planning should address emerging challenges in law enforcement, including crime prevention and community engagement. Bumuo, magsagawa, at suriin ang matatag na mga plano upang makamit ang mga layunin ng organisasyon, i-optimize ang paglalaan ng mapagkukunan, at pagbutihin ang kahusayan sa pagpapatakbo. Dapat tugunan ng estratehikong pagpaplano ang mga umuusbong na hamon sa pagpapatupad ng batas, kabilang ang pag-iwas sa krimen at pakikipag-ugnayan sa komunidad. Example, crafting a data-driven community policing initiative designed to mitigate specific crime patterns, enhance community trust, and improve public safety outcomes through targeted interventions and interagency cooperation. Halimbawa, paggawa ng inisyatiba ng community policing na batay sa data na idinisenyo upang mabawasan ang mga partikular na pattern ng krimen, pahusayin ang tiwala ng komunidad, at pagbutihin ang mga resulta ng kaligtasan ng publiko sa pamamagitan ng mga nakatarget na interbensyon at pakikipagtulungan sa pagitan ng mga ahensya. Personnel management. Employ innovative and ethical strategies to recruit, train, and retain law enforcement personnel while fostering career development. Emphasize professionalism, adherence to ethical standards, and the continuous enhancement of skills relevant to modern policing challenges. Gumamit ng mga makabagong at etikal na estratehiya upang mag-recruit, magsanay, at mapanatili ang mga tauhan ng pagpapatupad ng batas habang pinapaunlad ang karera. Bigyang diin ng profesionalismo, pagsunod sa mga pamantayang etikal, at ang patuloy na pagpapahusay ng mga kasanayang nauugnay sa mga hamon sa modernong pagpupulis. Example, implementing a comprehensive training program that integrates advanced techniques in criminal investigation, such as forensic analysis and digital evidence handling, while instilling a strong foundation in ethical decision-making and accountability. Halimbawa, pagpapatupad ng isang komprehensibong programa sa pagsasanay na nagsasama ng mga advanced na diskarte sa pagsisiyasat ng kriminal, tulad ng forensic analysis at digital evidence handling, habang naglalagay ng matibay na pundasyon sa etikal na paggawa ng desisyon at pananagutan.
Hello officers and leaders in law enforcement. Today I'm diving into the essentials of leadership and strategy in law enforcement management. Whether you're climbing the ranks or already in a top position, mastering these aspects is key to effective governance and operational success. First, let's talk about organizational leadership. Managing a law enforcement agency requires a deep understanding of its organizational structures, operational functions, and policy-making processes. Think of the National Bureau of Investigation in the Philippines. Their administrative hierarchy and operational mandates are clearly defined, helping them execute their duties efficiently. They have specialized roles that ensure every aspect of law enforcement is covered, from investigations to community engagements. By understanding such structures, you can better manage your own agency's workflow and chain of command. Next up is strategic planning. This is all about developing, executing, and evaluating plans to meet your organizational objectives. It's crucial to optimize resource allocation and improve operational efficiency. One excellent example is a data-driven community policing initiative. Such initiatives help tackle specific crime patterns and enhance community trust. By using data to guide your strategies, you can deploy resources where they're needed most and collaborate effectively with other agencies. Last but certainly not least, personnel management. Recruiting, training, and retaining skilled law enforcement personnel is vital. It's about fostering career development and maintaining high ethical standards. Consider implementing a comprehensive training program. This could include advanced techniques in criminal investigation, like forensic analysis and digital evidence handling. But remember, it's not just about skills. Instilling a strong foundation in ethical decision-making and accountability is equally important. To sum up, excelling in law enforcement management involves mastering organizational leadership, strategic planning, and personnel management. By focusing on these areas, you can lead effectively, optimize operations, and foster a professional and ethical law enforcement culture. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe and keep leading with integrity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on law enforcement leadership.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic learning guide to criminology, law enforcement administration. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumabon YouTube channel.